There is a short overview of what is the NTNU specific part of the stress check. It follows up the stress check exercise made in the other video. It will give you an overview of how to run stress check, but on a very brief and simplistic way. And also, of course, it has some NTNU specifics, like you see here, how to start stress check, and that would be the way NTNU has set it up, and the credentials. Once stress check starts, as said in the other video, you use the workspace, apply, and then you select your workspace, and you can make a template, and that gives you the work tabs like this, what you need. It's much easier to work than this way, to have predefined windows where things are. You probably saw in the other video. Yeah. And importing all the different data, it may take some patience, because you need to import at a specific formats. And again, the Excel file with the complete input for the application or exercise, sorry. You can get it emailed, or if you're at NTNU and on this specific computers with the landmark suite, the input should already be there. If I'm not mistaken, the full exercise, you can find it from 2022 when this was made. It's probably there already. And there's probably a version from 2023 as well. Not sure there's one for 24, but yeah, you will see. The pore pressure and fracture gradient will be put in already, or you extract it from the Excel file that I can give you if you don't already have it. Yeah, and of course you have to start in Compass and make the well path, or this will not actually work properly. You can see that it's the correct well path going into this directional tabs. Then you have to establish the casing scheme and go through the workflow as shown in the other video. Again, the section that was focused on gives you more or less all the different load cases that you'll need, because it's a production casing in this rather strange well construction. All right, and here is everything that you would need in order to populate and initiate the simulation. Design factors, production data, governing documentation. If you feel like studying a typical set of governing documentation that you'll find with any operator, you can have a copy of the NTNU, the one made for NTNU, and the class that we had there a few years ago. You can of course email me, and I will let you have a copy, so that you can go through it and see whatever is there, apart from what was presented in lecture 5, part 2. All right, I think that's it. Not much to say about this setup. You can play this video over again if there are things that went too fast, and the other video will probably be more detailed, where we are setting it up in Landmark itself. landmark stress check. I'm starting with compass. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I can quickly give you my video. Let me see. So we do this. So this is my email if you want or need any data or input. All right, thanks.